legend, do you ever feel like you're going 2 steps forwards, 1 step backwards, or 1 step forward, 2 steps backwards? In other words, going nowhere fast and you're manifesting putt rut car. Or no matter what you do, it seems like you seem to be attracting people into your business that don't have that fire or that ability to implement, and you feel like you're always having to rescue them. This is most likely because you're unconsciously playing out a wealth identity that isn't in alignment with what you're wanting to create and experience. And these roles or masks or identities are the ones that have us stuck in a wormhole, so to speak. I.e., right now you're in identity 1, experiencing reality 1, but you're wanting to shift into reality 2, where all of your desires exist, which requires a new identity. However, there are 12 main unconscious wealth identities that are playing out in humanity right now. And this is affecting everything: your sales, your relationship with money, your ability to take action, your level of self-belief, and it even attracts the type of people that you're attracting into your business. And especially if you feel like you're attracting in people that aren't hungry, or people that aren't implementing the work, or say they're excited, they sign up, and then it's like you're having to swoop in and save them all the time, right? This is some of the deepest work I do with my subatomic shifters. Step 1, I get my clients to resign from their unconscious wealth role that is completely capping them from experiencing all the income, impact, and time freedom they want to experience. These identities can vary from the hustler to the hard worker to the magic pill chaser to the entitled, or as I like to call it, Faruka. I want it, Daddy, and I want it now. And yes, some of my clients win the lottery and they have to resign from multiple identities, multiple roles. I myself resigned from multiple roles, which means now my subatomic particles get to move and dance and sing in total alignment with what I want to experience. No more clunkety clunk clunk. So, wealth identity work. Then what we do is we go deep on money mindset and electrify the frequency of money. So you and money have an extraordinary relationship, completely unlocked, free, unconditional love. And because of this new relationship that you now have with money, it flows, baby. Oh boy, does it flow into your experience. Now, just quickly, with these wealth roles, what this means is, for example, if you have a hustler or a high achiever identity, right, which most of my clients do before they do this work, you may find that you are a magnet to magic pill chasers, i.e. people looking for the magic pill, and think that you're gonna save them. This is because the hustler or the high achiever have hero tendency, hero qualities, and the magic pill chasers have victim qualities. And so it's like a moth to a flame until you do this work. If this is already exciting you, I'm super excited to announce that my Quantum Influence Immersion starts on the 28th of March. And in this term coming up, you are gonna do all sorts of stuff like unleash your next level unique coded marketing content and magnetically attract your soulmate clients. We're gonna build out a laser lead funnel. What's a laser lead funnel? It means a funnel that speaks directly to the heart and the soul of your ideal client. So it's like literally you are talking directly to them, to their unconscious mind. And they see your Facebook posts and they see your videos and they think, wow, she's talking to me, and can't help but feel called on a deep soul level to reach out to you, to work with you, to be part of your team. You're also going to become an implementation badass and get more marketing content out there in less time than ever before with less effort. We're also going to activate your next level manifestation powers and shift you into a frequency of graceful growth in business and create a powerful impact aligned sales process that gives your soulmate clients everything they need to know to choose their dreams and say yes. And last but not least, align your money receiving frequency to your impact vision so you can manifest your goals by default. So this is your invitation to the journey. If you feel called and you want to map out what this would look like specifically for your business and see if it's in alignment for you, reach out. So we're not only going to do a whole lot of upgrades and energetic work and frequency shifts and product delivery work, but we're also going to spend time implementing as much time as possible around business systems and strategies to have quality leads flowing into your business. And then after these 3 live days together, We get to integrate in a 4-month container with fortnightly live trainings and quantum coaching with myself. So if this sounds sexy to you, please reach out. I'd love to chat with you.